How to change a TikTok password with phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can change your TikTok password with your phone number and not with an email address. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what you want to do is, if you forgot your password and then you're trying to change it, open up TikTok first of all, then come to your profile page, and then over here you can see I'm not signed in, so I'll just tap on the sign up option. I'll go to the login button, I'll tap on use phone, email or username. So over here I'll just make sure to enter the phone number that was associated with my TikTok account over here. Once I enter the phone number associated with my TikTok account, you can see I'm under the phone tab. You can also reset using email or username, and now just tap on the send code option, and after it's done that, it'll successfully go ahead and then verify my code and then automatically log into my account without actually having me to choose a password for myself. So let me also just go ahead and do that respectively. You can see enter 6-digit code. So we're going to wait until the verification code arrives, as you can see, and then now you can see we are successfully logged in. Now what you can do is you can come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon, and then go to the option called settings and privacy, go to account, and then you can go to password and then simply change the password using your phone number again, as you can see in this case again. And that's all it takes to change the TikTok password with your phone number. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.